Hello, my name is Malin, and I'm going to demonstrate how to interact with the Rails project I created, the Hike app. I was inspired by my adventurous and beautiful mountain town I live in. The region I live in is very close to all different terrains. You can hike, rock climb, kayak, romp around in the desert, camp, you name it. Hike app was built on a Rails framework with Ruby code and other entities including active record associations and validations, Action View helpers, and Omniauth via GitHub. Right now I have the Hike app open in the browser using the IP address given from running Rails server on my terminal. This app is quite simple for user interaction. I created a sign-in feature using Omniauth. Omniauth is a multi-provider library used to authenticate users for a web application. I decided to use Omniauth with one provider, which is GitHub. You can sign in this way if you have a GitHub account. I am going to sign in via GitHub right now, and I will be directed to the home page with all the adventures. If you are a new user signing in via GitHub, you will be directed to GitHub's authentication page to confirm your authentication, then directed back to the Hike app. We call this process a handshake from web application and the provider. So here you can see all the adventures. An adventure is similar to a category that a user can file their checks under. I can click on the adventure title and check out other treks that are under this adventure category. I am going to check out NY Hikes. And there is one trek for NY Hikes, and it's Cane Mountain in New York. I can see the elevation, the level of difficulty, and here you can also see the hiker that has done this trek. And you can click on their profile to check out what other adventures they've done. They've also have a Colorado hikes, and there's one trail for it. I can go back to the home page of adventures by clicking on all adventures in the navigation bar up top. And if I want to create a new trek, then I can go to create a new trek link, and I will be directed to a new form. And here I will create a new trek. Let's see. Let's do Engineer Mountain in Colorado, and the elevation is 13,218, and I would say it's moderate to difficult. And here I can create a new adventure if I don't want to put it in an existing adventure, but I am going to put it in an existing adventure of hiking. And then I will click the Create Trek and be directed to the Engineer Mountain show page. There it is. If you are a new user and you want to sign up, you can click the sign up link that it was here, and I'll show you in 1 second. So you can click the sign up link here, and you will be able to sign up with the information that's necessary. I also created a password confirmation for this app, and I also used bcrypt gem to encrypt user passwords. Therefore, this results in a two-part security for the user. Once you fill in the required information, you can click the sign up link and you will be able to create an account and be directed to the main page all over again with all the adventures. Once I am done browsing the Hike app, I can sign out and I will be directed to the welcome page of the app. I used a free template provided by W3 Schools and modified it to my liking. I wanted to incorporate the Flatiron blue, but it didn't look great with this photo that I have here. Instead, I just made the footer text Flatiron blue. Flatiron blue is to pay tribute to all the programming I've learned so far, definitely while building this app. I hope you found this simple yet exciting as I did. Though this project took me much longer than planned, I'm very excited on how it turned out. Thank you for watching and happy coding.